Today, we will delve into some of the most fascinating events happening in our solar system and beyond. We'll talk about the surprising temporary acquisition of a second moon by Earth, witness an extraordinary comet lighting up our skies, and explore some of the latest findings from ongoing space missions. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss our upcoming videos. But now let's begin. Breaking news from the solar system, a new satellite for Earth. Earth has temporarily gained a new celestial companion. A small asteroid, designated 2024 PT5, has entered orbit around our planet at the end of September. Discovered in August 2024, this rocky body is about 10-11 meters in diameter and belongs to the Arjuna-type asteroids. These celestial objects are known for having orbits similar to Earth's and can sometimes be captured by our planet's gravity, becoming mini-moons temporarily. 2024. PT5 will orbit Earth for about 2 months, until November 25th, before being expelled back into space. This isn't the first time such an event has occurred. Other asteroids, like 2006 RH120, have been captured in the past, and there will certainly be others in the future. However, this small moon will only be visible with high-power professional telescopes. Using these advanced instruments, astronomers plan to conduct detailed observations to study its composition and characteristics through photometric and spectroscopic techniques. These mini-moons present a unique scientific opportunity to better understand the population of small near-Earth asteroids and improve planetary defense techniques against potential future impacts. Comet C-2023 A3 Zinan-Atlas, a celestial spectacle. Among the celestial bodies captivating astronomers and astronomy enthusiasts, the comet C-2023 A3, also known as Zinan-Atlas, is passing through a critical phase of its journey through the solar system. On September 27th, it reached perihelion, its closest point to the Sun, making it an especially intriguing object to observe. Discovered in January 2023, Zinan-Atlas might surprise us. Its brightness could exceed that of other famous comets like Neowise in 2020, and even the renowned Hale-Bopp, which mesmerized millions in 1997. Currently visible in the southern hemisphere, it was recently photographed from the International Space Station. However, those in the northern hemisphere will be able to catch a glimpse starting October 10th, though visibility will be brief and limited to twilight, low on the western horizon. The best time to observe Zinan-Atlas will be around October 10 to 12, when the comet reaches its peak brightness. If you're lucky, you might witness one of the brightest comets of recent decades. A true celestial spectacle not to be missed. Mercury, the fourth flyby of the BepiColombo mission. Continuing our journey through the solar system, we turn to Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, where the European Space Agency, ESA, and Japanese Space Agency, JAXA mission, BepiColombo, recently completed another flyby. On September 4th, the spacecraft flew just 165 kilometers above Mercury's surface, providing an extraordinary observation opportunity. During the flyby, BepiColombo activated 10 of its 16 scientific instruments, capturing images and data from Mercury's south pole, an area never photographed before. This flyby was particularly important as it allowed the spacecraft to adjust its trajectory, bringing it closer to its final goal, entering orbit around Mercury in November 2026. However, this arrival has been delayed by a year due to a propulsion system issue, forcing the mission team to modify the flight plan. With its cratered surface and scorching orbit, Mercury is one of the least explored planets in the solar system. The BepiColombo mission will reveal new secrets, including the composition of its thin atmosphere and the mysterious presence of water ice in its permanently shadowed polar craters. Perseverance on Mars, searching for the red planet's ancient past. On the red planet, NASA's Perseverance rover continues its scientific exploration mission in the Jezero crater. Since late August, the rover has been climbing the western rim of the crater, collecting samples and conducting geological analyses to search for traces of past water on Mars and potentially signs of ancient life. One of the most interesting events this month was the discovery of a particularly unique rock formation named Freya Castle. This outcrop, about 20 centimeters in diameter, features black and white stripes, making it unlike anything seen before. Scientists believe it may have broken off from a higher region of the crater and rolled to where it was found. Its composition and characteristics are currently under study, as it could provide valuable insights into Mars's geological history. Meanwhile, the rover's instruments have detected an increase in dust activity in Mars' atmosphere, signaling the imminent arrival of seasonal dust storms. These storms can cover vast areas of the planet, significantly impacting not only robotic mission operations, but also future human missions. Beyond the solar system are Doradus and stellar gas movement. Now let's venture beyond the boundaries of the solar system to explore one of the most fascinating stars we have recently observed. Thanks to the ALMA radio telescope located in Chile's Atacama Desert, astronomers have, for the first time, captured the movement of gas on the surface of a star other than our Sun, the red giant R Doradus, located about 180 light-years from Earth. This star, about 75 times larger than our Sun, is in the final stages of its life, and the images show massive bubbles of hot gas rising and sinking in a convective process that stirs heavy elements and redistributes energy. This achievement is remarkable because we had never before directly observed the behavior of a star's surface other than our own. These observations help us better understand the dynamics of red giant stars, a phase our Sun will enter in about 5 billion years. New discoveries among exoplanets, a possible future for Earth? Finally, a recent study has led to the discovery of a rocky exoplanet, similar to Earth, orbiting a white dwarf. This planetary system, located about 4,000 light-years away, may offer a glimpse into the distant future of our solar system. Scientists speculate that in a few billion years, when the Sun exhausts its fuel and transforms into a red giant, it might engulf Mercury and Venus, while Earth could drift into a more distant orbit, surviving the cosmic cataclysm. The newly discovered system may represent an example of how a rocky planet managed to survive the death of its star, offering hope for the future of our own planet. Thank you for following along. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to receive updates whenever we publish new content.